Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, tow hitch, heated seats, power lift gate, power steering, four-wheel ABS, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.